Start the count now. Well, it is a hard Rhino.
Yeah.
These guys had this brilliant idea to hack this. I believe it was Fetty because he enjoys hacksaw and metal bands. So we're gonna do some hacks on this. So what hack would you like to do on this? It is a hard Rhino.
Trucks.
Trucks? Just different trucks, same wheels?
We'll keep the same wheels for now.
Keep the same wheels, but regular trucks.
Yeah.
That is a hard Rhino.
It's a hard Rhino.
So basically I need to keep these risers on there then, yeah?
I don't know if this is gonna work with these wheels.
I don't think the wheels are gonna fit on there at all, but that's why it's called hacks.
Yeah, if the wheels don't fit, then we put these trucks back on.
Put normal wheels
And
on.
put normal wheels.
Yeah.
You know what they say, if the wheels don't fit,
It's a hard Rhino.
It's a hard Rhino.
they do fit, right?
Wow, dude, that looks awesome.
We're just gonna get a lot more wheel bite.
Dude, it looks pretty good.
Wow, what a hack. This is way easier to skate. I'm so glad we changed the trucks. I thought hack was supposed to make things better.
It does make it better.
Really?
They're lighter.
Wow. Well, all that this did for me is got me dirty. Going home, taking a
You
shower.
know, you are being very negative right now. I know it's a hard Rhino, but at least be positive about it.
I love it so much. I could not love this hard Rhino more.
Oh, that looks weird.
That looks
Okay, I'm
sick.
gonna do one trick on this and that's it. Ah! That's safe. Ah!
Has this ever been kickflip? No?
If you kickflip it first try right here, Fetty Potter, I will give you $10. Wow, you're sick. Hygienically sound pound. Ew! But if I land it, he has to give me $10. We didn't say frontside flip, Carlos. Either we got a lot better, or we truly hacked the hard
We
Rhino.
actually hacked it.
I think it's science, people. Science.
I have a glaring concern, Aaron. If we hack it too
It'll be
much,
an easy
is it
Rhino.
no longer a hard Rhino and it transforms into a intermediate Rhino?
I would go easy Rhino.
I'm not feeling it. I'm like sweating so much. You know when you're sick and you just sweat out of places you didn't know you could sweat? Yeah, I don't want to do this.
Hey boys, it's Rowan, the strangest editor we've ever had. I need to get the knee pads on. How are those bionic legs?
Eddie's already hacking.
What are you doing? You have to at least land the kickflip.
I'll do a shove.
Just kickflip it.
I will
It
do
is a hard Rhino. It needs a kickflip.
You did a kickflip and so did Carlos, so I'll do a nose slide on it.
Okay, that is heavy.
What's this next hack, Aaron?
Well, this is the regular trucks that were on there. Does this go in the front or back? We should have really thought this out, Fetty.
that's-
Cruiser truck, Steez?
And I think Fetty just wants to get that really good pinch on that cricket ground. So.
It is a hard Rhino.
Truth. There's only two things that I can build. Manual pads and houses. To build your house?
Yeah, what's the going rate for building a house?
Well, I give the Braille employees discounts to build a house. I'll build it to you for $9.38.
Dude, deal.
An hour.
Wow.
Oh.
That hack looks so good. You just nailed this.
I think this made it worse.
Made it worse?
I should have took the riser pads off. If you land primo, you die.
Oh, you got that.
It does like a backside flip.
So you de-hacked it. Yeah, way worse. If it can be kickflipped like this, you're an inhuman monster.
I think we should have a rating system for every hack so far, out of 10. So what would you say the last one was?
I would say the last one was,
7.
I would go 6.
So now when we're done skating this, then you rate this one as well.
Yeah, bro.
That kickflip was better though.
Yeah, boy.
Well done.
Seriously, like triple flip, man.
Hashtag straight to the 5-stair. Wow.
That was nice.
I was like first try on this hack.
It is a hard Rhino.
Yeah, Fetty.
He's already going for the next hack.
Wow. You know what I wanted to do is get the old video and read some of the comments from the old video and see like what we had going on there.
What would you rate this one?
I gave it a 5, yeah, 5.
I'll give it a 4
My
because it was
phone is
actually
like, look at
harder
that.
than having the smaller trucks on there.
All right, Fetty, what's the premise of this hack?
This is the hack of all hacks to make this a 10 out of 10.
Aaron!
Oh my gosh! How have you been? Here, go, bang it, go. It's been too long. I thought you gave up on us. All they got was one extra large? Who ordered this? Troy's face.
It's a hard Rhino.
Hard Rhino.
First try!
All right, so this is the final hack.
I feel like this is 10 out of 10.
On the other wheels and everything, it felt so gnarly. Now it feels like it's going to break. We should call this Don't Break the Rhino Board.
Don't break the hard Rhino. Rhino horn almost went in my shoe.
Wow.
That's it.
Wow. Trey
It
Reed.
is a hard Rhino.
It is a hard Rhino.
Float like a butterfly, sting like a G.
That wasn't actually a hard Rhino.
Wow, it's easier Rhino than it easied.
It is a hard Rhino.
That's like the most I've ever hesitated on a kickflip.
It is a hard Rhino.
It is a hard.
How are you gonna tray flip it first try? That
First Trino?
that was an easy Rhino.
See what I did there?
I did, I
First
like that.
Trino.
Good job.
It's kind of like a normal board, so I think it will work. I don't trust Aaron.
You make it, we
How many
skate
views
it.
does that have?
843. The ledge on the side was just a piece of tape. Here we go. Top comment. Aaron looks like the possum from Ice Age. 448 upvotes.
Wait, that's so true.
Oh! I wonder if it's a hard Rhino.
That was a hard Rhino.
Wow. At 2046, he finally got me with the, well, it is a hard Rhino. I don't even know why. That was pretty much it.
Say, reenact that. Reenact that.
Well, it is a hard Rhino! Yeah! Fetty, don't break it.
Oh, you went Smith.
That was cool. Sorry, Gabe.
Now you have to land it and never let that happen again. Jeez. It's a hard Rhino.
That Rhino is soft.
Thank you.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Crook might be really hard on this.
So clean.
All right, Carlos.
Hey.
You know what, man? You know, like we call it a video.
All right, we got it.
I think we're gonna count that.
I'm gonna keep that one too. I actually like that.
Wow, and I thought that was gonna be easy, but no sir, it was a hard
Actually,
Rhino.
It was pretty easy. Fetty.
Thank you. Thank you. Just fully cut Gabe off. Thank you, 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 thank you. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will link the first video that we did with this in the description below. And we hope that you guys are seeing us have fun and going, I want to learn and have fun, and learning how to skateboard yourself. Click on this playlist to watch all the other fun videos. Click right here to go to the Braille shop and get a skateboard, get skateboarding made simple, learn how to skateboard. Skateboarding Made Simple is the most detailed tutorial video ever made, ever. And it will teach you, so will I. Let's go, Braille Army, learn to skateboard.
It is a hard Rhino.
It was a hard Rhino.